Hi, I'm Erin and this is just a short video about my face masks. So in this video we're going to cover the specifications of the mask, the different fit options, the different tie options, how to clean and disinfect your mask, as well as how to take measurements for the personalised fit options. Masks are available in solid colours like this one, or hand painted like this one. I like to use a high cotton polycotton blend for my masks, as I find that this traps less moisture than 100% cotton, but 100% cotton is available on request. I have 4 designs at the moment and I have more designs on the way, and each design is airbrushed through a hand-cut stencil, and I find it gives these little kind of textural differences, which means that every mask is unique, and I think it works really nicely with the designs. So due to the light weight of these masks, postage becomes much cheaper with orders of multiple masks per masks, especially if ordering internationally. So with the mask, there are 5 fit options. There are 3 options which are more of a close personalised fit, and there are 2 options for a more adjustable fit. So the first option is snug fit, which is closed over the nose and under the chin, and all of these masks cover the lower half of the face, which I find gives a much better seal. And this fit is made to the pattern I already have, which is my measurements, or if you've ordered a custom fit mask from me in the past, then it will be made to your measurements. The second option is custom fit, which will be made to measurements which you send me of your face, ensuring a good fit, and I'll cover how to take the measurements for that later on in this video. The third option is perfect fit, and what this involves is you sending me your measurements, and I will create a mock-up of the mask, which I will then send to you and talk you through fitting to your face, so that I can make a pattern from that which is a perfect fit for your face, ensuring the best seal. The third option is slit chin, and what this is a mask which is open at the chin, and this means that it fits a much wider variety of face sizes, and so you can get a good close fit without having to go with one of the custom fit options. The fifth option is adjustable fit, which is very similar to the slit chin, except it has ties at the bottom, meaning that you can tie it to pull it to a tighter fit even on different face sizes and shapes. So for these masks I have 4 tie options. The first is the classic elastic ties, which just loop around your ear, and these are quite short because I like my masks to come very close to the ears. And this is a really good for if you're taking your masks on and off quite a lot, because it's quite easy and it happens quickly. The second option is long elastics, and these elastics go around your head, and I find that this gives a much tighter, secure fit, while still being relatively quick and easy to take on and off. The third option is ribbon ties, and these just tie around the back of your head, and these give more of an adjustable fit, and are available in satin and organza ribbon as well, so they're just like a bit prettier, and these ribbons are available in lots of colours, whereas the elastic and the cotton tapes are only available in black and white. The fourth option is cotton ties, and these are great because they can be boiled for disinfecting your mask and they won't be affected by that. And these just tie around the back of your head as well. Additional features available upon request include a 3rd layer of fabric in your mask, a wire over the nose, or a pocket in which to put filters. So to wash your mask you have 3 options which I've shown here. The first of which that I like to do is hand washing, and you can just wash it in the sink. I use Woolite to wash my masks with, and I just fill the sink with warm water, put in the detergent and just hand wash them when I get home at the end of the day, and then I leave them to dry overnight, and I find this is best because then I can just use the same mask every day and I don't have to wait for when I'm doing washing or do a special wash for it. You can also machine wash your mask. You just want to, if you've got any loose ties, you want to untie them so no knots tighten, and you can put them in a garment bag to protect them in the wash, and just wash them like you would any other piece of clothing. If you bought a mask with cloth ties, then you can boil it to disinfect it, as most things are killed at 100 degrees. You can just put it in a small pot, or you can boil multiple together. Again, make sure that your knots are untied just so they don't get tightened. and just put it in the mask and boil it for a few minutes. I would recommend doing this after you've cleaned them with detergent, just because boiling them won't get rid of any kind of grease and oils from your face that's built up. If you want to disinfect your mask, then you need to get the ones with cotton tapes, because the elastic can get damaged by boiling, and also kind of like ribbons and polyester things will also be damaged. So to take your measurements, you'll either need a tape measure or some string or non-stretchy cord. So the first measurement I need from you starts right here between your eyes. Now the mask won't come up this far, but I'll subtract the distance. So this point is 0, and then I need to the tip of your nose to your chin, and I need those 3 measurements. Second measurement I need is from the tip of your nose to your ear, and I also need from your chin to the bottom of your ear as well. And if you take these measurements and you are very close to my face measurements, which I'll put on the site, then you can just order snug fit. So if you don't have a tape measure, then you can use a piece of string and then just make sure that you hold the points of measurement, and then you can just measure it against a ruler and send me the measurements. I do prefer my measurements in centimeters, just because I find that you're less likely to round them up or down or give a general measurement, but I can work in inches if it's too difficult to convert. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a message on Etsy, and I will leave my links to that in the description box down below.